last time I tried to make a pinafore dress, it went like nilifanya ilikuwa blanda. The last time you remember hiyo yenye nilitengeneza from my proposal dress, this dress over here, actually this is me and babes. So this dress over here nilijaribu atimtengeneze, but I was at the initial stages of sewing, of learning how to sew, and learning about the measurements and with the way this tumutu tuko na too small bodies and too tiny, so you cannot rely on the measurements and wewe ati nimefanya aje hey naniangalia tu mama. The last time I tried, it was like ilikata size hiyo nguo ni ndogo. But so I said to myself, I'm gonna try to do another pinafore dress because size nime advance in my sewing skills. Leo mtalala kweli? Mtalala. So actually I did it, and I used the Christmassy fabric and the green fabric. So for the Christmas fabric ilikuwa ndogo, so ilikuwa tu inatoshea the bottom part, the skirt, and the upper part ilikuwa kubwa, so nikatumia kutengeneza the block thing and the straps and the waist. And I'm telling you, it was amazing. So the first thing that I did, I start by cutting, and here are the measurements. So first thing, I ironed. And then I sandwiched the rectangle piece into the shoulder straps, and then I sewed. Hizi waistband nilikata mbili, ya ndani tunaita lining na ya nje. So after I attached this rectangle to the shoulder straps, nika attach the waistband. Yes mama, najua give me only some few minutes ndakuwa nimemaliza. Amekata kulala. So tukaamua lazima we have to share this time you are awake. So I attached this lower piece sasa kwa here. And you wonder venye this time round I managed this, hakuna bulky thing. Remember, there are two pieces, this piece and the outer one. So after I have attached the bodies, utapata kuna two pieces. Siziko hivi mbili. So the first thing I did, I attached this piece to the outer one. Attach the outer one, alafu uta attach kwa ya ndani. And there are no roses. Hope you can see. Oh, my face. You can see that? Yeah. And then at the back, I added this elastic kwa sababu ni kubwa. Sishoni kitu yenye atatumia tu saizi. It's a long term thing. Hii atavaa. Hii ni karefu by the way, so ataivavaa. Miaka 2 atakuwa anavaa bado. Trust me. Yeah, so yes, and that's how I made that pinafore dress. Very easy and very quick. Na venye hii kitu ni pretty. But I showed it to my husband, ako like, ya chini ni smart, but here juu inakaa faded. Ingehitaji a very green yenye imeshika. Anasema hii inaitwa green maji. So alikuwa anasema tuweke green ambayo imeshika. I was like, this is the only fabric that I had, na niliona itaingiana vizuri, but it's beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. I'm still learning, and kwa wale ambao wanataka kushona, because nimekuwa nikipata watu wanani DM like I'm interested in sewing but I don't know how to do it. Mimi I'm learning from YouTube. There are so many YouTube channels ambazo zinaonyeshana measurements and I'm not yet there, but I'm really trying. My baby is my model. Yeah, so these are some of the things that I'm making. Measurements kwangu ndo zimekuwa issue, but not anymore. I'm learning, and I learned a new way of doing the seams. Instead of doing the zigzag, I'm going to show you. I don't know if you'll be able to learn. So I want to join these two pieces. So what I've done already, I've sewn the seam, but with one side longer than the other. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to open up the two pieces, and then the longer piece I'm going to fold it, and then fold it again. Look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that, look how clean that is. Nikaongeza ka button, the contrast. Wow, So if you like this kind of content, and sasa nirudishie mtoto sauti yake, if you like this kind of content, why not subscribe? Why not share? Why not comment and like? Until next time, bye bye.